Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use reading mode in Chrome browser. So you have to make sure that your Chrome is also up to date. So there are two options here. The first one is you just have to right click and then scroll down. Then you will see this reading mode here. It's a new feature here on Google Chrome. So you have to make sure that this one is updated or up to date. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, you can drag this, you can increase the size in order for you to see. And also, you can just simply look at that it has the same words and everything on your Google Chrome. So another thing is that you can go to more tools and you should see this reading mode. But if not, then you can just simply go back and then right click. Most of the cases, you can see it in the more tools and you can see it when you right click. So when you tap this one, it will show you the reading mode here in Google Chrome. And then if you want to change it, I mean the size or the font, you can just go to this part or section right here, change the font to whatever you like or wish. Apart from the font, you can also change the size of the letters and font according to whatever you wish. You can increase the size here, the font size. You can change the color. Everything is up to you. You want it to be like in the dark mode or yellow, white, or blue. And apart from that, you can also change the spacing. And there are tons of ways here to adjust. So everything is up to you according to what you like. You just have to go to this area, change the font size, the color, the font style to whatever you wish. Okay, and then after that, you can now go back. And then if you want to exit this, then you just have to click X. But this is how you basically turn or see or read the Wikipedia or the website in reading mode. So you have to make sure again that you're using the latest version of your Google Chrome. And apart from that, you can change or translate this to whatever language you want. Okay, so you just have to click this three dots, translate this. You can translate to English and other languages here. Everything is up to you. And that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.